6 Heavy is 15 nautical miles east of Al Minhad Air Base at 3,900 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Emirates 456 Heavy, expect vector for the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Roger, Emirates 456 Heavy.
Emirates 456 Heavy, turn right heading 04.
Emirates 435 Echo Kilo is 22 nautical miles southeast of Sharjah International at 10,900 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Frequency change approved. Emirates 1.
Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, turn right heading 170, descend and maintain 6,500.
Turn right heading 170, descend and maintain 6,500, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo.
Qatar A308, contact Dubai Tower on 126.77.
Contacting Dubai Tower on 126.77, Qatari 308.
China Southern 913 Sierra Bravo, unable to divert to Dubai International, please request a suitable airport. China Southern 913 Sierra Bravo, diversion approved, expect vectors to Dubai International.
Roger, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo.
Emirates 456 Heavy, please follow instructions or you will be reported. Emirates 456 Heavy, turn left heading 210, maintain 3000.
Turn left heading 210, maintain 3000, Emirates 456 Heavy.
Dubai arrival, Qatari 7, degree of 16,900.
China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, please follow instructions or you will be reported. China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, turn right heading 160.
Emirates 219 is 1 nautical miles north of Dubai International at 2,300 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Turn right heading 160, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo. Qatari 7, radar contact, say approach request.
Qatari 7 is 20 nautical miles south of Suri Island at 16,300 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, turn right heading 250.
Turn right heading 250, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo.
Baby, when you hold me, heartbeat into heartbeat, I know how I really feel.
Qatari 77 Super, continuous files, expect the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Qatari 7, continuous files, expect the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Roger, Qatari 77 Super.
Roger, Qatari 7.
Qatari 69, turn left heading 120. Turn left heading 120, Qatari 69. Saudi 777 Super, turn left heading 030, descend and maintain 3000.
Turn left heading 030, descend and maintain 3000, Saudi 777 Super.
China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, turn left heading 120, descend and maintain 5000. Turn left heading 120, descend and maintain 5000, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo. Emirates 219, we're in an active airspace, please contact Dubai arrivals on 124.9. Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, descend and maintain 6000.
Descend and maintain 6,000, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo.
Emirates 355 Sierra Sierra, descend and maintain 3000. Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, turn right heading 320.
Turn right heading 320, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo. Emirates 219 is 7 nautical miles south of Sharjah International at 4,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend and maintain 3000, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo. Sky Dubai 124 Bravo Alpha is 21 nautical miles south of Siri Island at 26,200 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Saudia 777 Super, turn left heading 330, maintain 3000, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, do not exceed 170 knots.
Do not exceed 170 knots, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo.
Emirates 355 Sierra, turn right heading 270, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left approach.
Turn right heading 270, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left, Emirates 355 Sierra.
Sky Dubai 124 Bravo, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, speed at your discretion.
Roger, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo.
Emirates 219, turn left heading 090.
Roger, Sky Dubai 124 Bravo Alpha. Turn left heading 090, Emirates 219.
Qatar 69, do not exceed 180 knots. China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, expect vector to the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Do not exceed 180 knots, Qatar 69. Roger, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo.
Emirates 478 Super, requesting descent via in 3 Charlie arrival.
Emirates 478 Super, proceed as requested.
Descending via in 3 Charlie arrival, Emirates 478 Super.
Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, expect vector for the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International. Emirates 435.
Turn right heading 350, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo.
China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, please follow instructions and you will be reported. China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, turn right heading 100. Turn right heading 100, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo. Qatar 69, turn left heading 030. Turn left heading 030, Qatar 69.
Emirates 219 is 13 nautical miles southeast of Sharjah International at 4,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Emirates 219, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 30 left at Dubai International.
Roger, Emirates 219. Egypt Air 315 Sierra Quebec is 18 nautical miles south of Siri Island at 18,000 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway.
Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, turn left heading 330, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left approach. Qatar 69, descend and...
Turn left heading 330, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 left, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo.
Emirates 219, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 30 right at Dubai International. Emirates 219, turn right heading 270, descend and maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 right approach.
Turn right heading 270, descend and maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 30 right, Emirates 219.
Qatar 69, turn left.
Dubai Tower, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo is 14 nautical miles to the southeast at 2,700 feet, inbound for landing at Information Bravo. Dubai Tower, Emirates 219 is 16 nautical miles to the southeast at 3,600 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 30 right.
Dubai Tower, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo is 23 nautical miles to the southeast of 4,300 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 30 right. Dubai Tower, Qatari 69 is 19 nautical miles to the southeast of 3,000 feet, inbound for landing.
Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, wind 250 at 12, number 2, cleared to land, runway 30 left, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo. Emirates 219, wind 250 at 12, number 1, runway 30 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 30 right, Emirates 219. Attention all aircraft, ATIS information Delta is now current. Qatari 69, wind 250 at 12, number 3, runway 30 left, cleared to land.
Dubai Tower, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, inbound on the ILS runway 30 right.
Dubai Tower, Qatari 77 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 30 left. Wilco, Emirates 355 Sierra Sierra. Sky Dubai 7396, thank you, good day. Sky Dubai 7396, frequency change approved, good day. Qatari 7, contact Dubai arrivals on 124.9er. Dubai Tower, Qatari 350, inbound on the ILS runway 30 right.
1000.
Emirates 380 Kilo Delta Super, contact Dubai arrivals on 124.9er. Qatari 77 Super, contact Dubai arrivals on 124.9er. Contacting Dubai arrivals on 124.9er, Emirates 380 Kilo Delta Super. Contacting Dubai arrivals on 124.9er, Sky Dubai 124 Bravo Alpha. Qatari 350, contact Dubai arrivals on 124.9er. Frequency change approved Sky Dubai 7396, good day. China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, wind 250 at 12, number 1, runway 30 right, cleared to land.
400.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 30 right, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 30 right, Arabia 1549.
300.
Contacting Dubai arrivals on 124.9er, Qatari 7.
China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, speed at your discretion.
200.
Roger, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard, 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 retard.
China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, is on final runway 30 right.
Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, request frequency change. Dubai International Traffic, Lufthansa 631, crossing runway 30 left.
Dubai ground, 5 November Alpha Whiskey India, ready for pushback.
Dubai ground, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, request taxi to gate A03 at the concourse A. Emirates 435 Echo Kilo, taxi to concourse at gate A03 via Kilo 9er. Taxiing to concourse at gate A03 via Kilo 9er, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo.
Pushback approved, tail to the east, 5 November Alpha Whiskey India.
Etihad 6002 Sugar, taxi to runway 30 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 30 right, Etihad 6002 Super.
All I need is you here with me, and I need you more than this, 'cause your love sets me free. I don't want to look back on this life we said with regret. I don't want to look back on this
Dubai ground, Qatari 69, request taxi to gate 359 at the concourse D.
Dubai ground, Emirates 219, request taxi to parking. Qatari 69, taxi to concourse D gate C59.
Taxiing to concourse D gate C59, Qatari 69.
Dubai ground, Emirates 219, request taxi to parking. Thank you, good day, Emirates 355 Sierra Sierra.
Dubai ground, Emirates 304, ready for pushback.
Love is priceless, your love is sweet.
Dubai ground, 5 November Alpha Whiskey India, ready to taxi. Dubai ground, Malaysian 506 flight of 7, ready for pushback with information Delta, requesting runway 30 right.
5 November Alpha Whiskey India, taxi to runway 30 right, contact tower when ready.
Dubai ground, China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, request taxi to parking.
Malaysian 506 flight of 7, hold position. Emirates 204, hold position.
Holding position, Malaysian 506 flight of 7. Holding position, Emirates 204. Taxiing to runway 30 right, 5 November Alpha Whiskey India.
China Southern 91 Sierra Bravo, taxi to parking, at your... Thank you, good day, Emirates 435 Echo Kilo.